Hey, welcome to HOWZA channel. In today's tutorial, we will teach you how to clear printer queue in Windows 11. Go to taskbar search, type services. Click on Services app to open it. A new window will open. Scroll down through Services. Double-click on Print Spooler to open it. A new window will open. Click on Stop button. Wait until it's done. Click OK. Minimize the window. Open File Explorer. Go to this PC. Open your System Drive folder. Go to Windows folder. Open System32 folder. Go to Spool folder. Open Printers folder. Delete everything inside the Printers folder. Go back to Services window. Click on Start. Wait until it's done. Click on Apply and OK. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you used any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!